What are the tips for writing an effective research paper title? This is according to Talents 2020. Number one, compose a title that is simple, attractive, and accurately reflects the investigation. So the title accurately reflects the investigation when variables of the study are incorporated in the research title. Phrases to avoid: investigation, study, and other related expressions. Like, for example, a study of learners' behavior during the crisis situation. So it may simply be learners' behavior during the crisis situation. Try to get try to get it right. Example: how modular learning modality is implemented during the time of pandemic. There is a problem on grammar because this is grammatically inconsistent, because this is an interrogative question. Therefore, it should be, how is modular learning modality implemented during the time of pandemic? Second point, use powerful words. The best example of this is the research project entitled True Bayanihan Spirit, Mentoring to Learn, Touch, Empower, and Transform. So the title is complete in itself because the strategy to use is incorporated in the title, that is True Bayanihan. And what is the expected output or outcome of the study? Output of the study: transformation of the school. And how was transformation done? It was done by mentoring the stakeholders, including the parents, so that these parents learn, because these parents guide the learners in learning the lesson, because the clients of this particular program are those who are enrolled in ALS, alternative delivery modality is utilized. Then touch. So there is also that element of formation of the students with consideration of values. And empower. Once the students learn the lessons, they become empowered individual. And that is uh, that that leads to transformation of the school. And because of the transformed schools, the school was judged as very successful, and the school was able to attract more students to receive the institutional services. Tips for increasing the impact of a research paper title. The first tip: ensure that the title is clear, interesting, and attracts the reader's attention. Prefer using declarative titles. So if we are reading titles of research projects, we notice that there are titles that are expressed in the declarative form. There are also titles which are written in interrogative statements. So the suggestion is to use declarative statement in framing the titles. I'm not saying that the interrogative statement is not allowed. We can also utilize that, but this is only a preference. The title should be around 5 to 15 words. Highlight key aspects of the study using keywords. Shorter titles increase citation. So what does it mean? Because once our researches are published, then there are many readers who will be able to read our conducted researches. When the title is shorter, chances are many readers will attract to these researches. And therefore, you will be able to widen your readership.